Hey, I'm Barrett Streeter. I'm a junior exercise science pre-physical therapy major here at Tennessee Tech. I decided on this major here because the faculty and staff are phenomenal, the best. Which, speaking of professors, I'm about to go play soccer with a few. So follow me to find out why being an exercise science major is awesome.
All right, you guys, it's Tuesday morning and it is a beautiful day on campus. You'll see me in the library for now. I'm gonna do some homework and do some studying as well before I have my meetings and classes for the day. Let's do this thing, let's see how it goes.
Okay, so what I'm doing right now is called Anatomy and Physiology Readiness. So I'm actually on a computer, and this is an online laboratory that I get to use where I have the access to control the actual skeleton. And let's look for what? The anterior cerebral, that's what we're gonna look for. I'm gonna get rid of the skeletal system and the nervous system so I have better access to the cardiovascular system, which is what I am looking for because that is what I'm currently studying.
All right, you guys, so we've done our studying. We're about to go take a quiz, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, you guys, class just let out for functional movement. This class, I'll let my professor tell you about what it's all about.
So today, we started our assessment for movements, and we started with the air squat. The point of today's class was to learn the basic movement principles and concepts of the air squat. And then we finished off class with getting with a partner and then using our phones to video assess them so we can break down any incorrect movements that they may have. You have to figure out why and what's wrong or what's causing those bad movements. Now it's the student's job to go home, look at their video assessments, and figure out what's wrong with their partner with the air squat.
All right, you guys, so functional movement's done. As you can see, I'm here in the weight room because this is where we had class today. It's a pretty sick classroom, isn't it? All right, so I want to give it to the person I says, Tavian, and he's going to tell you about how today went.
Today we worked on mobility. I got Barrett here, helped me get deeper and actually feel what I'm trying to work on.
And now next week, now that we've done the air squat, which is the most functional movement of all, it's the most basic, we're going to start building off of that in this class. So we're actually going to be doing more detailed movements. So for example, I'll be teaching the bench press here in a few weeks because this is a student taught portion of the course. All right, you guys, after 4 hours of classes, I'm taking myself a break and I'm coming to do what I do every week, twice a week. We'll just come play soccer with these guys. Say what's up. What's up? All right, let's play some soccer. All right, you guys, so I'm done playing soccer and I had my fun. And so part of what you do when you have fun is you make the most of that time. That's what you do in college, because a big thing that I've learned being here is that you got to be good at managing your time. And so that involves balance. I had some fun, and so now it's time for me to go get back to study. All right, you guys, so I'm about done in the library. I just finished all the studying and all the homework that I have to do for the night. So I'm outside at AWC, but I'm also about to walk into the hoop for our basketball game. All right, you guys, so I had some fun. I had a great week here, and thank you guys for spending it with me. I am here in Memorial Gym, which is my building that I am in always as an exercise science major. With that being said, it's time for me to go. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to spend your week with me here on campus, and I hope that you know how awesome it is to be an exercise science major here at Tennessee Tech. We're so involved. You're always doing things. Speaking of that, I know my week might have been filled with basketball and whatnot, but guess what? Next week, I got intramural log rolling, intramural soccer, intramural spike ball coming up. But I want to thank you guys for following me this week, and I hope that you guys remember to be bold, be fearless, be confident, and be kind, and live wings up.